Looking at this estate from the road, from the gatehouse, you will love it. Welcome to one of our fast-selling estates, a newly acquired estate here in Mowe. This estate featured mini basketball court already done in the estate, mini children playground already done in the estate, mini football arena already done in the estate, 24-hour CCTV surveillance camera already in the estate, standard casting drainage, security personnel, tide road inside the estate, solar and street light inside the estate, artificial lake inside the estate, and perimeter fencing already done in the estate. This estate has CFO because it is totally free from government acquisition. With the CFO on this land, your property is legally recognized and you have peace of mind. This estate, as of now, is currently selling for 6.5 million naira. But when we're done with the launching on the 13th of February 2026, the price will go up. People who bought early last year in this estate, they have already started their building and some have completed their building. In fact, on the 13th of this month, we are going for the housewarming. This is fantastic. Though some who have already completed their building, they are going to be doing their housewarming and we will celebrate them. Congratulations in advance. This is fast selling estate and this is a buy and build estate. When we say buy and build estate, we are talking about the estate that bring high return on investment within a short period of time. We are talking about the estate that you buy today and you start building today. We are talking about the estate that come with instant allocation. Don't miss out on this estate. Those that invested early, they enjoy high return on investment. And even as I speak now, the estate is currently selling for 6.5 million naira per plot.